Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox Doors elevator music on piano. We'll break it down into manageable steps, starting with the melody. Then, we'll add the chords, and finally, I'll share tips for putting it all together. This approach will help you master the tune, even if you're a beginner. Let's get started and make some music. For the right hand, we'll focus on the main melody. The core notes are E flat, G flat, and B flat. You'll play these in a repeating, simple sequence. Think of it as a gentle, ascending and descending pattern. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each note is clear and even. Once comfortable, you can gradually increase your speed to match the original tempo. Now let's add the left hand with 4 essential chords. These are E flat minor, D flat major, B major, and B flat 7. For each chord, play the lowest note first, then the higher notes. A common rhythmic pattern is low, high, low, high, low, high, low, low, high. Practice transitioning between these 4 chords smoothly, ensuring your hand position is relaxed and comfortable. Finally, it's time to combine both hands. Begin very slowly, focusing on the coordination between your right hand melody and left hand chords. Practice short sections, perhaps 2 or 4 measures at a time, before connecting them. Listen closely to ensure the parts blend harmoniously. Consistent practice, even for 15 to 20 minutes each day, will significantly improve your playing and help you master this iconic tune.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.